Did you know the most devastating left hooks don't come from your arms at all? Here's the shocking truth that will change how you think about punching power. The knockout force actually comes from your oblique muscles, creating a whip-like effect through your entire torso. It starts with a slight lean to the right that preloads your left obliques like stretching a rubber band. This stores massive elastic energy before the explosive release. Most beginners think hook power comes from shoulder and arm muscles, but that's completely wrong. The most powerful left hooks are thrown with minimal arm involvement. The real power starts in your core rotation and travels through what's called the kinetic chain. Here's the most counterintuitive part. Relaxed arms actually generate more hook power than tense muscles. Why? Because tension interrupts the energy transfer from your core to your fist. It's like trying to crack a whip with a rigid rope. Your arms are just the delivery system, your core is the engine. Mind-blowing how biomechanics work.